Hello and welcome to my channel, Green Gold Database Academy. In today's video, we're going to explore one of the most useful tools for MySQL administrators, which is the MySQL Binlog Utility. This tool is used for reading and processing binary log files in MySQL. Let's dive into how this utility can be used effectively for database replication, backup recovery, and auditing. In today's video, we will show practical demo for Linux operating system. MySQL Binlog is a command line tool that allows you to read and process binary log files generated by MySQL. These binary logs contain all the SQL statements that modify the database, and they are essential for database replication and recovery. The MySQL Binlog utility is an essential tool for MySQL database administrators. It gives you control over the binary logs, enabling you to inspect changes, replicate data, or recover from failures efficiently. By understanding its functionalities, you can improve your backup, recovery, and replication strategies, ensuring your MySQL databases are well managed. There are following three major purposes of MySQL Binlog utility. MySQL Binlog can be used to transfer data from one MySQL server to another. It helps in restoring lost data after a crash by replaying events from the binary log. It allows you to inspect changes that were made to your database and track operations for debugging purposes. Basic syntax is shown as here. MySQL Binlog utility name with any of the available options and name of binary log file to read. Here we go for practical demo on Linux operating system. Log into MySQL. First, ensure that binary logging is enabled on your MySQL server or not. We can check this by running the command. Show variables like log_bin. As we see that this is not enabled on our system. So, we will enable it. Check the contents of MySQL configuration file. Edit the MySQL configuration file. Insert binary log related settings in configuration file. Save the file and exit. Restart MySQL services to permanently apply the changes. Log into MySQL. We can check if binary logs are enabled or not by running the command. Show variables like log_bin. To see the available binary logs, we can use command show binary logs. Binary logs are typically stored in the data directory of MySQL. We can find data directory by running command show variables like data_dir. Now we will see our first example of using MySQL Binlog utility. Issue a command using MySQL Binlog utility. This command is not using any filters. Now, we do not see any meaningful contents. Like, we do not see any SQL statement because till now, SQL operations are performed. Let's log into MySQL. Perform some SQL statement. So that to verify if these are shown in binary logs or not. Like, creating new database company_db. Creating new table employees. Inserting some rows in table employees. Issue a command using MySQL Binlog utility, without any filters. We can observe the SQL commands are there. Like create database, create table statement, insert statement. At 527 means at position 527. As we know, binary logs are made up of a series of events, such as SQL statements or row changes, that record database changes. Each event is stored at a specific position in the binary log file. In binary log file, position refers to specific point or byte offset where a particular event begins. Our previous MySQL binlog command gets contents of complete binary log file, without using any filters. Now we will use MySQL binlog utility to get binary logs only from a particular position. Now we will issue another MySQL binlog command to get binary logs between two particular positions. We are using filters with options, start position and stop position, and getting binary logs between positions 527 and 1861. Starting from position 527 till position 1861. We can see filtered contents now. Let's use MySQL binlog utility in another way. We will apply new filters now and get data as per timestamp. Now we will use MySQL binlog utility to get binary logs related to specific time. We are using filter, start date time and getting binary logs only after mentioned date time only. Let's get binary logs between two specific timestamps. We will use filters, start date time and stop date time. Now, MySQL binlog utility is showing binary logs between two timestamps only. Let's get binary logs between two specific timestamps. We will use filters, start date time and stop date time. Now, MySQL binlog utility is showing binary logs between two timestamps. Let's apply new filter for MySQL binlog utility. Apply filter, database, to get binary logs related to specific database only. Now we will use MySQL binlog utility to get binary logs related to specific database, final project. We can see, there are no SQL statements like create database, create table, insert statements. Because we issued those statements for another database, company_db. Now we apply filter, database, to get binary logs related to DBA_not_exist. This database does not exist on MySQL server. There are no binary logs for non-existent database. Issue new MySQL binlog command now for database, company_db. We can observe all binary logs issue against this database. Insert statement. Create table statement. And that's it. We've covered the basics of using the MySQL binlog utility, along with practical examples of how you can use it for replication, backup recovery, and auditing purposes. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the content, don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe to Green Gold Database Academy, and click the bell icon so you won't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.